You don't think much about truck parts until you need to think about truck parts. But when you think about it, truck parts are partly responsible for
जैसे
every
आपको
part
भिन्न सब
of
पार्ट्स
our
की जरूरत
everyday
है,
lives.
जैसे डोर हैंडल,
Let's back
ग्लास
up.
मशीन एंड शॉकर,
Everyone,
पैनल, बम्पर,
we mean
हमारे पास सभी प्रकार के
everyone,
ट्रक पार्ट्स उपलब्ध है।
depends on
एमबी केबल
truckers,
पार्ट्स ब्यावर राजस्थान,
manufacturers,
हर
businesses.
समय 24 घंटे उपलब्ध पार्ट्स की
Schools,
सर्विस।
your niece who wished for a new bike for her 7th birthday. And truckers depend on parts. But not just any parts. Quality tested, warranty backed, widely available, affordable parts. These parts